The ultimate Xiaomi battle. Pro versus Ultra. Wide angle lens, 0.5 on the Ultra, 0.6 on the Pro. You can see a wider view with the Ultra video stabilization test and a wide angle lens. If you want to vlog from those smartphones, this is how it's going to look like. A vlogging style. Both of those smartphones, they move aperture. They by itself moving, I mean by the AI or algorithm. What I wanted to say, the Ultra closed the aperture a little bit, and the Pro version, it's fully open. That is, yeah. Oh, and the Ultra is closing now. You won't be able to see it, but it's closing. Okay. All right, this is from the wide angle. Let me switch to the main lens, but before we do that, we have to test macro. Autofocus and wide angle lens. In both available. Why do you need autofocus and wide angle lens? To have a shot like that. A beautiful, okay. With a beautiful macro. With 1 and 2. Fantastic. Or maybe you want to show some details. A lot of details in both of them. Alright, the main lens. Okay. The Ultra is way easier to use. A different menu, which is strange. No way, this is the main lens. This is how it's going to look like. Bokeh effect, not against the sun. Bokeh effect, which means blurring the background. Alright. Telephoto. 2x. And let me switch to 2x. Let's go further. 3.25. And we have to go 5. Yeah, that's 5x also. Do you see any difference? Because I don't. It looks very similar. You can go 15 with the Ultra and 15 with Pro version. And I think Ultra looks cleaner. Less noise. Definitely more contrast. Is the lens dirty? That is the question. Because it could be. Let me go back. Let me go back. Let me go back, my friend. Let me look at the lenses. No, they are perfectly clean. Perfectly. So there you go. Alright, what about main lens and autofocus? How quick it is in both. Very quick. Insanely quick. Alright, front facing camera, full length of my arm. Is it going to overexpose the sky against the sun? How quick it is. They both similarly quick. None of them have autofocus and wide angle and front-facing camera. But at night, there's a difference. Let me show it to you. Main lens. Because Pro version has 1.4 and Ultra has 1.6, look at the difference. Oh yeah.